Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today I'm gladly unboxing my upgrade for my editing computer. 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro processor. Oh, now this is good new box. 16-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 Pro chip, 512GB SSD because I'm gonna use external SSD, 16GB of unified memory, and the full 12-core CPU and 19-core GPU. So here we go. I was waiting and choosing these computers for a long time now. It's this 4th month that I was choosing and looking for the laptop, but initially I just went out with the MacBook because I already have my LG C2 OLED monitor, 42 inches, and I got my 4090 GPU with 5800X3D Ryzen 9 processor, so I just went with just simple solution for the traveling computer with a good screen. You know, we'll see how it's going to be. I'm actually very optimistic about the game porting kit and all the upcoming games, so maybe even I can play on this thing. So stay watching, tune in, subscribe, and then maybe you'll see some videos about playing on this computer. Nonetheless, here we have it. M2 Pro MacBook Pro, 16 inches. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna leave that to be the last one. Let's see what do we have here. We have a MagSafe, the same one with M1. 140 watts charger. I think this time what's different is that we have the same color as the computer, the MagSafe, not the port itself, but the charger end. So that's kind of neat, I think. So that's that. Yes. Damn. Okay. Get that to the side. And as you see, the space gray color. At last, not white. Okay, what do we have here? We have booklets. I guess there's nothing more here. So we have startup guide. Where is everything? We pretty much more or less know. We got those black Apple logo stickers. The warranty stuff. I guess I'm gonna buy extended warranty for this. Not like extended, but external, I should say. Yes, the charger. Let's see what's about the charger. Of course, it's paper now. I really like that new type of paper that's wrapped here, because we really don't need to use plastics. And here, really, we don't know that. We don't need to use that. Okay, what do we have? This is 140 watts. This is going to be fast charging, and this is going to be a long-lasting laptop. Definitely. Let's see. It says, what about output? 5 ampere, 20.5 volts. So this is 100 watt, not 140. Okay, interesting. Anyways, so that's that. Let's put it to the side to get over the cable, because I think we're gonna charge the computer. And that's it. That was the box. Now let's just unbox the computer itself. Look, damn. Now this one, it's kind of on a heavy side. I should say that. It's not the most easiest laptop to hold, but it has the most wonderful display on the laptop I have ever tested. And I was choosing for 4 months, so I tested a lot of laptops, a lot of Windows laptops, a lot of RTX 4090 laptops, a lot of laptops in general, and this display is just, this display buys me every time. And here we go, we have our boot up. Oh, now this display is, yeah. Okay, as you see, the keyboard is pretty much the same, just the Touch ID bar gone. I kind of like that, but it was laggy. So in general, that was gone. As we have engraved MacBook Pro.
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Yeah, not now, please. And we have
now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
intake, and outtake of exhaust.
Press the escape key.
Oh, please, not now. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 USB-C ports. We have headphones out, MagSafe charger. It's nice because you have charger and 3 additional USB-C cables. At last, your HDMI 2.1 with 144 Hertz or 120 Hertz, for example. I'm connecting my LG C2 42 inches, which is HDMI 2.1, and SD card reader. That's going to be very good when my channel grew up to point where we just invest into a better quality. So then we're gonna use the SD cards and some new APS-C from Sony, I guess. So that's it. That was the unboxing of MacBook Pro 2023 with M2 Pro processor. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. You know I'll always answer your questions. And subscribe to my channel. And if you liked it, share it with your friends. Talk about it. Bye.